Hey everyone, welcome to our channel.
How to enable Assistive Touch on iPhone. So let's get started. Assistive Touch is an accessibility feature on iPhone and iPad designed to help users who have difficulty using hardware buttons or gesture. It provides an on-screen menu that allows you to control various iPhone functions without physically pressing the buttons. So now, in order to turn this on, go to your iPhone's home screen and tap on the Settings app available there. Now, inside Settings app, scroll down and look for the accessibility option available there and simply tap on the accessibility. Once you tap on the accessibility, scroll down and look for the touch option available there and simply tap on the touch. Now, once inside touch, you will get to see assistive touch option available there. Tap on assistive touch at the top screen, then toggle the switch to on green. Once it is turned on, a small customizable floating button will appear on your screen. You can use this button to access various controls like home button, volume control, gestures, and more. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.